How to hyperlink an image to a website in Outlook. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you can log into your Outlook account. I'm using a website version here. You can also use your desktop app. After that, you can just create new email here, new mail, and then you can, type your recipient and add the subject, maybe test for hyperlink in image. So you can just click this one and then you can click browse this computer and then you can upload your image. This is for example. And as you can see, this image is attached. So we have to move it from attachment to the body of email. So you can right click and then choose move image to the message body. Click on it. So the image will be in your body of email or in the message body. So now you have to add the link. So you can right click and as you can see there is insert a hyperlink option here. You can click on it and now you can add your website. So let's say maybe youtube.com just for example, you can add the link you want, click OK. And so whenever your recipient click the website, I mean the image, it will automatically open your website or the link. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.